request of the National Weather Service, a severe thunderstorm warning for Volusia County will follow. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Volusia County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Orange City and is nearly stationary. Hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Deltona, DeLand, Orange City, Lake Helen, and DeBerry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Once again, the National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Volusia County.